As an undergraduate, I can't say I was the most focused scientist, and in fact, I don't even consider myself as a scientist coming out of the undergraduate curriculum. I have to admit that I came to UCSD because the winter of 1976 in western Massachusetts at UMass, where I was an undergraduate, was incredibly cold, and looking at that beautiful catalog that they put out with all that warm weather and all that sun certainly had some attractiveness as well. I started at UCSD in 1977 as a graduate student in the chemistry department. And looking at choosing between graduate schools, what was really stood out at UCSD was the interdisciplinary nature of the chemistry department. There were biologists in the department, there were protein chemists, there were biochemists, there were chemists. It was fairly unique at the time. It exposed me to a tremendous number of new ideas and new sciences that I had no idea of before I came. And I think that set me up very well for what I'm doing now. The field that I'm in pharmaceutical discovery research, what I hope is that work that we do stimulates ideas that will produce molecules, drugs that will actually improve human health globally. Every day you do something different. Now the frustration is that every day you don't come up with a new discovery that will change the world. And you do a lot of things over and over, and you spend a lot of time thinking about very small problems. But research is rarely one big aha moment. Research is really a series of small successes. And when enough of those come together, when enough of those gel, that aha moment does occur. I've been at Gilead now for 20 years. And during that time, I've been part of the revolution in HIV therapy. Remember, 20 years ago, having HIV was a death sentence. Today, HIV therapy is a single tablet once a day. HIV now is a manageable chronic disease, and Gilead has been a huge part in changing the course of that disease, not only in the developed world, but also in the underdeveloped world. I'm certainly incredibly proud to play a part in the transformation of HIV to a chronic manageable disease. Whatever job you get, try to make a difference. Look for the key problems. Find out what the key problems are that company or institution has in front of them and focus on those problems. Make a difference.